Welcome students. In last class we have seen about list. List means it is a sequence data type. Yesterday we have seen the syntax of the list, and in today's class we are going to see about how to change the list elements. For example, list equal 1, 5, 7, 8 like that number is there. These are the numbers or the elements. That element can be easily changed. To change the elements, we need a simple assignment operator, that is equal. Let us see the syntax for the changing list elements. List variable of index of an element equaled value to be changed. Otherwise, list variable of index from and index to value you have to give, and finally you have to give the value if you want to change. Let us see the example. This example is we are just changing a single value in the list. Here first line, my list equaled the number which is given is 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. After that, by using the for loop, we are printing the given list, that is my list element before updation. Before updating the value, we are printing. So in the output it is printed as 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. After that, next we are updating the value 6 in that element instead of 5. 5 is in which position? Index position, you know, isn't it? Positive index and negative index already we have discussed. Positive index means 0, 1, 2, 3. So in 0 position 2 is there, first position 4, second position 5. Now we have given my list of 2 equal 6. So second position we are going to change into 6. After that, by using the for loop, we are printing the updated element. So we got the output as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because 5 has been changed. In this example, we have changed only a single value. Let us see the next example to change the range of values. In this example, we are changing the odd numbers into even numbers. First we have given my list equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And by using the for loop, we are printing the odd numbers. Next, we are changing the range of values by using the index position. My list of 0, 5 equaled 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 0 position to 5th position we are changing all the values. And then by using the for loop, we are printing the even numbers. The 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 number has been changed into 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this example, we have changed a range of values, more than one value. Okay. Next, how to add more elements in a list. We can add more than one element in a list. For adding the single element, we can use append function. For adding more than one element, we can use extend function. Here, the syntax has been given for the extend and append. List dot append of element to be added. One element only we can add. List dot extent of elements to be added. More than one element we can give in the parenthesis. Let us see the example for append and extend. Next example, what value is given? My list equal 34, 45, 48 is given. Here, next line what we have given, my list dot append of 90. So we are adding one value. For that purpose we used append function. So we are printing what we will get finally, 90 value will be added. That is 34, 45, 48 and 90 is added at the end of the list. That is append. Append means adding. And then extend. Extend means we can add more than one element in a list. Look at here, my list dot extent of 71, 32, 29. My list already what value is there? 34, 45, 48. At the end of the list, the remaining elements also added. So we got the output as 34, 45, 48, 90, 71, 32, 28. Because finally in my list, what is the value? 90 is added by using append. So after the 90 only, this value will be added. So we got this output. Next, we will go for inserting elements in a list. For inserting elements in a list, we can use the insert function. Syntax is list dot insert of position index comma element. We have to mention the position of the index and we have to give the element. Look at this example. My list, we have given 34, 98, 47, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin and Srinivasan. So 3 numbers and 4 names has been given. As already I said, for list we can give numbers, characters, everything we can give. So no problem. So numbers and characters are given together. Strings are given together. Then we are printing what we have given. That list is printed. That is values and names. After that, we are using the insert function. MyList dot insert of 3, comma Ramakrishnan. So in third position, we are going to insert the Ramakrishnan. First position, what it is there? 34. Second position, 98. I'm sorry. Third position, first position, 0 position, 34. First position 98, second position 47, third position we are adding Ramakrishnan. So we got the output as 34, 98, 47 Ramakrishnan, and then Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin and Srinivasan has been got as an output. So for inserting the element in the list, we are using the insert function. And how to delete an element from a list? This deleting the element, we have 2 functions. One is del statement, another one is remove function. Del statement delete the known elements. Which element we are going to delete? That known elements alone can be deleted by using the del statement. Remove function deletes the list of elements by unknown index. Okay, delete whole thing. And also delete statement can also be used to delete the entire list, also can be deleted using del statement. Let us see the syntax. First syntax is used to delete a particular element. That is del list of index of an element. Index alone if you mentioned means that element will be deleted. Next, to delete multiple elements from this position to this position, 0 position to 5th position, like that we can delete. So for that syntax, del list of index from colon index 2. Next, to delete the entire list, we are using the syntax del list. That's all. It will delete the entire list. And the example for the del function is first example, that is just we are giving the my subject as Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Max, and just we are printing the values. And del my subject of 1. So first position what it is there? Hindi. So it deletes the Hindi. So finally what answer we got? Tamil, Telugu, Max alone we got, because in first position Hindi is there. So it is deleted. Next, for deletion purpose, some other things also there, that is remove, pop and clear. These are the 3 functions to clear the list. That is syntax for the remove is list dot remove of element, list dot pop of index of an element, list dot clear. First we will see about the clear function. Clear function will delete all the element in the list, but it deletes only the elements and retains the list. If you use del statement means it deletes the entire list. But if you use clear statement means it deletes the element and list will remain. Next example I will explain about the clear statement. First look at this example. This is an example for remove function. We have given some numbers and names that has been printed. After that we have given my list dot remove of 89. So we are going to remove that particular element 89 alone. So finally we got the output 12, 34, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin. So 89 has been removed. This is the example for the remove function. Next example for clear function is mylist.clear print of mylist, because mylist already we have given some numbers and names that has been cleared, but empty list is displaying. If you are using del function, entire list will be deleted, empty list will not come. But if you are using the clear function, elements alone will be deleted and the empty list will be coming. So that is the difference between clear and delete function. I think you can understand the difference between clear and delete. Next, we will go for the pop function. This function is used to delete a particular element using the index value. This also used to delete one element from the list. Look at here. Here we are used mylist equal to 12, 34, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin. And next line we have given mylist.pop of 1. So first position alone we are removing. What the pop function will do means which element it is removing, that it shows that element. But in del function and clear function, remove function, it doesn't shows the removed element. But pop function will show the removed element. Look at here, we have given pop of 1. In first position 34 is there. So it shows the output 34. And then only we are printing the mylist. The 34 has been removed. Finally we are getting the output as 12, Kannan, Gauri Shankar and Lenin. So it has been printed. Okay. Today we have discussed about changing the list elements and inserting the elements and deleting the elements, updating a single value and updating a range of values, and also how to delete the list by using the functions. The various functions for deleting the elements are del, remove, clear and then pop. So these are all the functions we have seen and we have discussed in this class. Up to this part we have completed the list, because this lesson is about list, tuples, sets and dictionary. Up to this class we have completed the list. Tomorrow's class we will see about tuples. Thank you.